Hey, this is Warzone Jones, and this is a video for people who like to say that wrestling and MMA is gay. Two things that I'm into: pro wrestling and MMA. People who say that these particular things are gay. Now, here's the reason why people probably say MMA and wrestling is gay. Well, they say, well, look, it's a half-naked dude on top of another dude. It's a half-naked dude touching another dude. That's what they're going with. They see guys in MMA, like people say, there are so many people in MMA. I mean, people who doesn't like MMA that would say that MMA is gay. And, I heard Bernard Hopkins, a legendary boxing champion, he said it looked like they was wearing panties. Literally said they was wearing panties. He said it looks like that he didn't want to see that because it looks like they was wearing panties. Now, I don't know where he get that from. He probably saw a couple of guys wearing, really short, tight trunks. And according to him, those look like panties. They see the whole getting on top of each other, and they trying. Bob Arum, who was a boxing promoter, a legendary boxing promoter, he said it looked like these guys are rolling down on the ground, looking like homosexuals. That's what he says. So, there are a bunch of people who just doesn't understand MMA, who's not a fan of it, and they say things like that. And that stuff really does get on my nerves. It makes me wonder, like, do you know anything about the sport? Which they obviously clearly don't. So when I hear stuff like that, they basically say stuff about pro wrestling. The guy who is, half naked, they don't wear the type of attire in the ring that you would see outside in the street normally. Guys wearing tights in pro wrestling, and they see that these guys are grabbing each other. They're rubbing on each other. He's grabbing his arm. He's touching on his chest. He's grabbing his leg. Like give me an effing break. And yourself, because you make yourself look stupid when you don't know what you're talking about. I've had friends. I had this one friend in high school, and he said, "Oh, so you like watching half-naked, sweaty guys, big dudes, grabbing each other?" That's what he said. He literally said that. And I'm thinking to myself, Juan, shut up. You don't know what you're talking about. His name was Juan. You don't know what you're talking about. Be quiet. I have never, ever, ever, ever watched MMA or wrestling because it was two guys grabbing on each other. Because if I thought, personally, because I'm not gay, if I thought pro wrestling was literally for actual gay people, I wouldn't be watching it because I'm not interested in watching a gay program. So when I hear people say stuff like this about MMA, about pro wrestling, shut the hell up. So, this is Warzone Jones. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. I'm out. Deuces.